Patricia from Champions has a leak problem.
You're not kidding. These are coming up through her foundation. Check that out.
Efflorescence.
Well, maybe. She said, Patricia writes, the water spots are in my bedroom. And I outlined this spot several years ago. She says, you see the line she put on there? She says, the spot has continued to grow to meet the outline. Well, Patricia, you should have drawn a smaller outline.
Yeah, really.
Okay, but all kidding aside, Patricia wants to know, who do you call?
I would call first a landscaper.
Really?
I got a couple. Sorry, I'm staring at the picture again. I got a couple of issues. I know, thank you. A couple of issues. It could be a drainage issue, or it could be an underground plumbing problem.
Oh, boy.
And then you could call a plumber to do a hydrostatic test and run a camera down there to see if they have any breaks in there. But that is pretty bad, and since it is growing, and I like the idea that she drew the picture. I drew the picture.
I like that. The
lines,
right.
Because it gives people a point to look at to see if it's growing or not. So anyway, I would make sure your drainage in your yard is good, and then secondly, if it is, you don't have any water building up around that part of the house, look at your drain lines in the house and get a hydrostatic test done. You
wouldn't suggest she just go in and draw a smaller circle, maybe it'll come down? No.
No, you could close the door and not go in the room. Like, my grandfather used to, don't go in there, the plumbing's broken.
From the school of jiggle the handle.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. You never have to jiggle your handle when you write to us with your questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll take care of you. And check out these videos, other answers you'll find, and subscribe to our channel.